guys, as promised, I am back and ready for action with new content. And so today I am bringing you yet another installment of products I hate. So today I have actually a pretty wide variety of products. I feel like in my previous products I hate video I did a lot of skincare stuff, but there are so many more things that I hate now. And also, disclaimer, as in every products I hate video, these are products specifically that I don't like for some particular reason. Does not mean the brand is bad. In fact, most of these products I'm showing you today, I love the brands. These are just kind of stinker products from these brands. So to start with, let's start with the deodorant. This is Degree Clinical Strength Deodorant. I am a stinky human. I know girls aren't supposed to smell, but I go to the gym a lot and I'm sweaty and sometimes I get stinky. So I use clinical strength when I know I'm gonna be like really sweaty, like if I'm at the gym or maybe a car show in the middle of July or something. Usually clinical strength deodorant will do more than enough for my armpits and for sweating. This stuff is absolutely useless. And it is clinical strength. It's crazy how bad it is. Secret for a while was making a clinical strength waterproof one that was amazing and they stopped making it. So I have yet to find a good clinical strength deodorant. But another one that is terrible is Secret Outlast. This was just kind of my everyday deodorant, and again, I just thought it was awful. Smells fine, doesn't really do anything, doesn't stop the sweating. Next thing I have is Perricone Md. This is a multi-action overnight treatment. Honestly, I just feel like this didn't do much, and I didn't like the smell. It has sort of a, almost like underlayer of it is vomit, if that seems to be unpleasant. It is, especially when it's on your face and then on your pillow and then you're smelling it all night trying to sleep. I also think especially this is a very expensive product, so I think there's better products that are cheaper that do the same thing. Next, you guys know I love Benefit. I love Benefit. Benefit Cosmetics is one of my favorite brands, but their tweezers are terrible. All I can really say about them is they don't grip. I don't know if it's because they're so far apart because they've added this little thing back here, but I also feel like we have brow brushes and spoolies attached to every instrument. We don't need it on our tweezers, so they could have skipped that and just made better tweezers. Next, again, is a brand you guys know that I love, and this is Glam Glow. This is their Dream Duo. So it's a serum and a moisturizer. Again, like with the Perricone product, I just didn't feel like it worked that well. I used it for a couple of weeks. I didn't see any difference in my skin. Yeah, there's nothing really like terrible I can say about it. I just think it's another one of those products that's really expensive and you can find cheaper brands that do better things. Next is Malin & Getz. Again, Malin & Getz is seriously one of my favorite brands. I'm more into their skincare than anything. I'm actually wearing their perfume right now. I love their candles. They have really great things. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of their shampoos. This is a sulfate-free shampoo for colored hair, and it is their moisturizing shampoo. I felt like because it is for colored hair, it just kind of did nothing. And for me, I have colored hair, so I need a gentle shampoo, but I also need a shampoo that's going to clean my hair because I have really thick hair. And I only wash my hair every couple days, so I really need a shampoo that's going to get in there and break up the oils without stripping my color, and I feel like this is not the one. It just didn't get in there. My hair still felt greasy when I was done shampooing. It smells really good though, so maybe just like use it as a perfume or bubble bath. Next is another hair product. This is Cara Silk Color by Goldwell. Again, Cara Silk is one of my favorite brands, or a brand that I really like, and actually their Cara Silk line, they have a deep moisturizing mask that's amazing. This is just their normal conditioner for colored hair, and I just feel like it did nothing. I had this at my boyfriend's house for a while just because I have like double sets of products between his house and my house. And I tried to brush my hair after conditioning my hair with this stuff, and it was so tangly and hard to get through that I was kicking myself for not having a leave-in conditioner at his house. So after I did that, especially with my hair being colored, it's really dry. You need a conditioner that's really gonna condition your hair, and I just kind of felt like this was like putting yogurt on my hair or something. It does smell really nice, but not so effective. Last but certainly not least is Burt's Bees Radiance Body Lotion with Royal Jelly. Royal Jelly sounds delicious, but I don't know exactly what it is. Apparently this has natural mica to enhance skin tone, which when I looked at it, I just thought like, oh, radiance. I don't know what I thought. I thought it was gonna make my skin extra moisturized. Apparently mica is sparkle. So when you put this on, you are a sparkle machine. It is like some serious like Edward from Twilight business happening. Not my favorite look. If you guys like this sparkly look, totally cool. I'm not 15, so it's not really for me. The lotion is fine, it smells really nice, but I just don't like being covered in sparkle. And I kind of wish that it said that, especially because Burt's Bees to me is like more of a natural brand, and so I think it's really weird that this is so sparkly. So those are the products that I hate this season. I'm sure there will be plenty more products that I hate next season. Along with all the products that I love as well. I'm going to also be doing seasonal love videos, so it's not all hate on my channel, I promise, and really no hate at all, just kind of meh. It should be products I feel meh about, but I feel like hate is more of a buzzword. Just in case you're wondering, I had a tattoo removal session today, so that's what this super sweet Wonder Woman armband is all about. And right now it is throbbing like heck, so I'm gonna get out of here. But thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe. Let me know if there's other videos like this you want to see in the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I have posted to see more of my wackiness. And if you want to see even more of my wackiness, be sure to subscribe for all things that are vintage and retro and general silliness.